children. Now we are going to learn about conversion. So in that, how to convert one unit into other units. Okay? You are very much familiar with the units in length, right? So what are the units we saw in the previous classes? Yes. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Are you remember this? Yes. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So from this is the very biggest unit. This one is very smallest unit. Am I right? You know this thing already. Am I right? Okay. Let me see how to convert one unit into another unit. Okay? Children, you have to convert 4325 millimeter into meter. Okay? Before you convert the numbers, first you should know these units very thoroughly. Okay? Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Okay? These units you should be keep it in your mind, and then you can do this one very easily. I will teach you very easiest method you can do within a second. Okay? Okay. Before you convert, first you should know what is this number. So what is there behind it? In this number, what are the units are hiding inside? So look at here. Suppose this is one number 4325. So if you write like this, what we say? This one, how many ones, how many tens, how many hundreds, how many thousands? So this one is 5 ones, 2 tens, 3 hundreds and 4 thousands. Okay? So these all are hide inside. Right? So in that way, you should find what is behind, what is hide inside this number. Okay? So when we write 4, 3, 2, 5, this one is belongs to millimeter. Okay? This one is belongs to millimeter. That is 5 is belongs to millimeter. So you should write millimeter here. So what is the unit next? What is the unit is present in next? Yeah, centimeter. So 2 centimeter and then 3 decimeter and 4 meter. Understood what I am saying? So when we write like this with the units, you can write like this. Okay? 5 millimeter, because the millimeter is entered here, so that one is belongs to 5. So 5 millimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 decimeter and 4 meter. So they asked here, what is the question here? Millimeter into meter. You have to convert into meter. So where is the meter here? 4 is the meter. Just you draw the line. 4 is the meter. So how many meters are here? 4 meter. Okay? 4 meter and 325. What is the last meter? Millimeter, right? Millimeter they end. So 325 millimeter. Otherwise, or you can write like this also. If you put the point 4 point, you can write like this also. 4.325. You should not write millimeter, you have to write meter. Understood? If you put the point, you have to mention only the highest unit, that is meter. Otherwise, if you are writing separately, you have to write like this: 4 meter 325 millimeter. Understood? Okay, I will write one more example, then you can get clear idea about this. Okay, see this example: 923 centimeter into meter. So centimeter to meter you have to convert now. So where we start, which is the smallest unit here? Centimeter is the smallest unit, and then meter is the highest unit. So from this unit to that unit you have to write first centimeter, so then after that decimeter, and then meter, right? So near centimeter which number is there? Yes, 3, and then 2, 9. Okay, so 3 centimeter, 2 decimeter, and 9 meter. What they asked in the question? They asked meter, right? So you just draw the line near the meter. Now you can write 9 meter 23 centimeter, or if you write in the form of point, 9.23. Which unit you have to write? Whether cm or m? Yes, m you have to write, meter. If you put dot here, you have to write this unit, greater unit. What they asked in the question, that unit you have to mention it here. Understood? Okay, this is smallest unit to biggest unit we are writing like this. Now we will check how to convert meter or greatest unit to smallest unit. Okay, children, you know that meter is smallest unit and kilometer is greatest unit, right? So now we are going to convert greatest unit to smallest unit. Okay, so the same way how you did in the previous examples, in the same way you have to do here also. So how to write? From that meter, so they are asking meter to kilometer, so kilometer to meter, so you have to write the units meter to kilometer. Okay, meter, and then what is there? Decameter, and then hectometer, after that kilometer. This is the units between meter and kilometer, right? Yes. Now what they given here? Kilometer near what number is there? 9. So the 9 is belongs to kilometer, right? So you can write as it is near 9. So they are asking meter. So after that there is no number. So what you have to do? You have to put 0 till meter. That's all. So what's the answer now? 9,000 meter. Understood? So they are asking meter here, right? In the question they are asking meter. So we are converted from kilometer to meter, that is 9,000 meter. 9 kilometer is equal to 9,000 meter. Understood? Okay, let me see one more example. Children, what is this? 32 hectometer. HM means what? Hectometer. 32 hectometer into meter. Okay, so hectometer is a greatest number, greatest unit. This one is smallest unit, right? So you have to start from meter. Yes, meter, decameter, and then hectometer, right? Decameter and hectometer. So near the hectometer, what are the numbers here? 3 and 2, right? So you have to write 32 here as it is. okay, because these two numbers are belongs to hectometer. So 32 hectometer here, and then where is other numbers? There is no numbers, just you put 0 0. So you can write 3200. What is that? Meter. That's all. 3200 meter. Understood? Is it very easy, no? Yes or no? Yes. Children, look at the question. This number with point. Let me see how to convert this number into, that is kilometer into meter, if with the point. Okay, dear? Okay. Now this 4 is belongs to this kilometer. See, always you keep it in your mind, the before point, which number is present here, that number is belongs to this unit. Okay, what are the numbers here before the point, that number is belongs to this unit, not near the number. Okay, in previous examples and all I told you which number is present in the nearest unit, that is belongs to that number. I told like that, right? So here you have to if with a point, if any number is with a point, so near the point, that is before the point, what are the number is present here, that one is belongs to the unit. Understood? So 4 is belongs to kilometer. Now we have to convert kilometer to meter. So the same way you have to write like this, how we wrote in the previous example, the same way you have to write all the units. That is meter, yeah, decameter, and then hectometer, then kilometer. Right? Now this is very easiest way. You have to write as it is. That is 4 is belongs to, I told you 4 is belongs to kilometer. So you have to write 4 here. After that, after the point, what is there? 2. Am I right? So you have to write this is belongs to hectometer. Okay. So there is no decameter and meter. So in that place you have to put the zeros, right? So what is the answer? 4200 meter. So 4.2 kilometer is equal to 4200 meters. Okay, children, I given 5 sums here. So within a 5 minutes, you have to complete all these 5 sums. Okay? Challenge. You just pause your video and take only 5 seconds and do the sums immediately. Okay? Then I will show you the answer. You check it with your answer. Right? Now you pause it. Start now. Can you get the answer? Shall we check now? Okay. So here they are given only one unit, that is meter. So if they are given only one unit, you have to write it in the form of point. Right? So this is millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter. So in that meter you have to draw the line. So 3.952 meter. Right? The next one is they are given 2 units, so you have to separate and write. Okay, this is 3 is belongs to meter, then 8 is belongs to, yes, decameter, Then this one is 7 is belongs to hectometer. So you have to draw the line near hectometer, that is 7 hectometer and 83 meters. Now they are given in decameter to kilometer. So here they are given in separately. So no need to write the point. You have to write separately. Okay. So this is 9 is belongs to decameter and 4 is belongs to hexometer and 2 is kilometer. Right. So decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So kilometer, you have to draw the line and then 249. Yes. Now centimeter to meter. This is centimeter. This is belongs to, very good, decimeter. Then 5 is meter. So here you have to draw the line. Now look at the question. Here only one dash. There is no separation. So they are given only in the form of meter. Right? So you have to write with the point. So you should not write separately 5 meter 32 centimeter like that. Okay? So you have to write it in the point. That is 5.32 meter, because they are given only one dash. Can you identify these two examples? Why we are writing separately here, then why we are writing here with the point? Okay, dears. Next one is 4.2 kilometer. So you have to change it as a decameter. So I told you, if with the point, the 4 is belongs to kilometer, right? So this is kilometer. So you have to go this way. This is kilometer. This is hectometer. There is kilometer, hectometer. There is no decameter. So in that place you have to put the 0. So 420. Right? So 420 decameter. Is it clear? I hope you people understood this concept, right? Thank you.